This is the 1977 construction preview map. You can use this map to view the design layers in an interactive web-based format. On the center, we have the 2D design layers. I can zoom in and out using the scroll wheel on my mouse to see more detail. I can also click on some features that will reveal attribute information. For example, I clicked on this pavement marking line and it gives me bid item information about that feature. I can also turn layers on and off within the map. So if I want to see the existing topo, then I can turn that on as well. Or if I wanted to see the removals layers. You'll notice as I pan inside the 2D view of the map, on the bottom left we have a 3D representation of the corridor on the map. And those two views are synced. So if I navigate in either view, the other view syncs with it. In the 3D view, we can rotate up by right-clicking on our mouse and dragging, and that will show the various layers in 3 dimensions. So we have the dirt layer, we have the flex base layer, we have the sill coat layer. On the side, we also have the grass layer. If I want to, I can filter those layers down to just see the dirt layer and the grass layer for the project. Now I will only see those 2 layers in the 3D view. If I want to know what the colors and line styles mean on the map, I can open the legend in the upper right hand corner